Hi guys, it's Marielle and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. This video is kind of fun. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I like to doodle. So I thought it would be fun to compile a bunch of my old doodles into like different videos. And this first one is going to be summer doodles. So here's a whole bunch of stuff you can doodle in your planners or your bullet journals in the summertime. Before we get started on the video, I just wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. If you are not familiar with Skillshare, it is an online learning community for creatives like you and like me. So Skillshare has thousands of different classes in all sorts of topics, especially subjects that you guys are interested in, like planning and photography and social media and drawing and lettering and doodling and painting and all sorts of other stuff, like things you would never even think of, like time management, like all sorts of stuff. All of the classes are broken up into lessons, so it's really easy to stop and then pick up later where you left off. Skillshare is a way to learn new things, and at the same time, it's kind of like self-care. It's really, really fun, and it's just a nice way to unwind at the end of the day and, you know, do something sort of productive, but also relaxing at the same time, right? So you guys obviously know I love creative journaling, right? I've been taking this really fun class called Illustrated Journaling, 14 Days of Prompts by Dylan Muswinski. I hope I pronounced that right. It's kind of what I do as far as journaling, but Dylan's doing a lot of painting and stuff like that. And I want to get into more artistic kind of stuff. She's sort of teaching me how to use prompts in that way. So it's kind of fun. The first 1,000 people to use the link in the video description box or my code will get a 1-month free trial to Skillshare. I think you're gonna love it, but you can go and check it out for yourself. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring this video. Now let's get to some summery doodles. thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this kind of video, but let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think I should do another one? Do you think I should do one when it turns to fall or winter, or Christmas stuff, or like household stuff? Let me know what you want to see me draw and what types of doodle videos you would like to see. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and all that jazz, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.